One sunny afternoon, a little girl named Emma was walking home from school. She had a big smile on her face because she had a great day. She played with her friends, learned new things in class, and even got a star for good behavior. Now, it was time to go home and see her mom and dad. Emma was walking down the street, holding her school bag. She was thinking about what to have for dinner when she saw something strange. By the big tree in the park, a small dog was sitting. The dog looked lonely. It didn't have a collar, and it was not playing like the other dogs she sometimes saw in the park. The dog just sat there, staring at the ground. Emma stopped walking. She looked at the dog and felt a little sad. Poor little dog, she thought. Where is your family? Emma always loved animals, especially dogs. She had a dog at home named Max, and she knew that dogs liked to play and run around. But this dog wasn't playing. Emma decided to get closer. She walked slowly toward the dog and said, "Hello, little dog. Are you okay?" The dog looked up at her. Its eyes were big and brown, but it didn't move. Emma knelt down to look at the dog more closely. "Are you lost?" she asked quietly. The dog didn't bark or run away. It just stayed still, looking at Emma. Emma thought about what to do. She didn't want to leave the dog alone. She looked around. There were a few people in the park, but no one was near the dog. "I have to help this dog," she said to herself. Emma took a deep breath and slowly reached her hand out to the dog. The dog seemed a little scared and moved back, but Emma was patient. She waited for a few moments. Then, the dog moved a little closer. Emma smiled. "You're not so scared anymore," she said gently. Emma decided to try and help the dog find its owner. She looked at the dog's neck and saw that it had a small red collar. There was a tiny tag on the collar. Emma carefully took the tag in her hand and looked at it. On the tag, there was a phone number. "Great," Emma said. "I can call the owner." She took out her phone and called the number on the tag. After a few rings, someone answered the phone. "Hello," a man's voice said. "Hi, I found your dog," Emma said. "It's sitting near the big tree in the park. Is this your dog?" "Oh no, that's my dog, Max," the man said. "Thank you so much for calling. I've been looking for him all day. I'm coming right now." Emma felt happy. She said goodbye and waited with the dog. The dog was still sitting quietly next to her. Emma stroked the dog's fur gently. "Don't worry, Max. Your owner is coming." After a few minutes, a man arrived in the park. He was looking around, and when he saw the dog, he smiled. "Max, there you are," he said happily. The man ran to the dog. The dog wagged its tail when it saw the man. It jumped up and ran to him. "Thank you so much," the man said to Emma. "You have no idea how worried I was. I'm so happy to find Max." Emma smiled and said, "You're welcome. I'm glad I could help." The man reached into his pocket and pulled out a small treat. "This is for you," he said, handing it to Emma. "You're a very kind girl. I don't know what I would have done without your help." Emma looked at the treat. She didn't want the man to feel bad, so she took it with a smile. "Thank you," she said. "I just wanted to help." The man smiled and said, "You really did help. Max is very lucky to have someone like you help him." As the man and Max walked away, Emma felt a warm feeling inside. She was happy to have helped the dog. She was glad Max was safe and back with his owner. I did something good today, Emma thought. She continued walking home with a big smile on her face.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to support us. Bye, until the next video.